Hello everyone, this is Marlin out of Dallas, Texas, and what you're looking at here is my Traffic Monsoon site that I'm about to log into to show you my updates of the progress I'm making. Let's log in right quick. And as you can see, the timer goes off for the load up page. Once you log in, you'll see a load up page, whereas people have paid for their page to come up when you first log in. We're going to go back to my account, and this is my back office. As you can see, I'm at 80 ad packs, and this is what I do every day. I buy ad packs and I'm almost able to buy 2 ad packs a day, and I will be able to buy 2 once this reach 100. Now I can go ahead and buy an ad pack for $50 because it costs $50 for each ad pack. You buy an ad pack for $50 in 55 days, you get $55 back. So, you know, this is how we get more traffic to our site. When I said $55 back, 1 ad pack means that you are making $1 a day. Each 7 days, you want to add to that $7 because you have $7 in 7 days. You want to add to that $7 and get you another ad pack, all the way up to 10 ad packs. And then after your 10th ad pack, each day is going down, because in 14 days you're making $2 a day, and so on. You want to get up to 10 ad packs, and after your 10th ad pack, you will be able to buy from your profit an ad pack every 5 days, because that's $10 a day. So once you get up to 10 ad packs and you buying from your profit, go ahead and strive for 50 ad packs. 50 ad packs mean that you are making for 7 days $350 each 7 days. What you want to do then is go and buy you a solo ad every month out of that 50 ad pack. You want to buy a solo ad for $50, and so I'm a little cheaper, but this is the way we get traffic on the outside. And with the other $50, you could upgrade into the Power Lead system, which is our marketing platform that we use. And I want to just log in right quick just to give you a glimpse of it. And this is how I create more traffic to my primary business. And my primary business is Four Corners. And I do all of my promotion through the Power Lead system and Traffic Monsoon. These are the 2 programs I use. Once you get up to 50 ad packs, you're going to be able to go outside, like I said, and buy traffic from solo ads. And you want to strive to get to 100 ad packs. That's 2 ad packs a day. That means that you are making $100 a day. And with that type of money, you can buy more traffic. You can buy traffic from different sources, and not just a solo ad, but you can buy ad clicks, and you can buy traffic, whereas a place that we will show you where to go to buy your traffic. And this can work with any business that you might be involved with, whatever business that you're promoting. This is good for any MLM business, any program, affiliated program, whatever you may be involved with. As far as promoting online, you can do it through Traffic Monsoon, and you can use the Power Lead system. Even if you don't have a business opportunity, make Power Lead system your primary business, because you can get paid dearly by promoting it. But you have access to all sorts of subdomains, unlimited subdomains, and unlimited templates that you can use, and unlimited autoresponder, which means that you have pre-written messages that will go out on your behalf. This is templates that I use. I have a selection of choosing which one I want to use to promote my business. And these are capture pages that you can use to draw in your leads once you promote through the solo ads or the traffic that you buy, which Traffic Monsoon will allow you to do by growing with your ad packs. Now, my total sharing positions is 154. Right now, I'm at 80. Once I buy the 2 today, I'll be at 82. And there are some's going to expire every 55 days. They expire. And don't worry about that part right there. Don't worry about the expiring part. Just keep on feeding those ad packs in and get to your destination. And your first destination will be 10, and then 50, then 100. Now, this is my earning from sharing, $6,175.29. And my total earn with the commission earn and fast cash links and referral cash links, I've earned $6,613.33. Now, active referrals. These referrals are active, and I have recruited over 30-some people, but as you can see, it's about the numbers. You're going to have some that really see this thing for what it is, and they're going to get started. Now, these 4 people right here are active. I won't go over there to show you how many I have because it would show their email addresses, but I do have over 30-some people that I have recruited. But it's about the numbers, ladies and gentlemen. You come in and be active and start making that strive to recruit through getting traffic through Traffic Monsoon and promoting through the Power Lead system. And I just love these capture pages that I use to promote my business opportunity. And you can do the same thing. And it's up to you. It's up to you. But anyway, at the bottom of this page, I'm sorry, not this page, but at the bottom of this video, there will be a link to Traffic Monsoon, which you can join up for free. Join up for free, and then you can start surfing. For me to withdraw my money and to get paid, I have to surf 10 ads a day within 24 hours, just 10 sites a day. And then I come over here to buy my ad pack to put 20 clicks to my banners. And I get a 1,000 click to my website. And this is the way we do it. It is so simple. Start off with one ad pack. That's the way I started. Now I'm up to 80. I'll be up to 82. And I don't worry about the ones that expire because I'm constantly pushing and I'm constantly getting there. The young man that I'm following, he was at $250 a week. He's an ex-Marine. Going through a divorce, he was going through down times. But now he's pulling out over $1,000 a day, putting it in his pocket, probably all or half of it. But this very program, Traffic Monsoon, has brought him thousands of day in his primary business, and inside of the Power Lead system, he's making. I mean, the man is becoming a millionaire with this simple system that we're using. So click on the links below, Traffic Monsoon and the Power Lead system, and you'll be on your way. If you need me, contact me, and we'll show you how to be successful in promoting whatever business that you are promoting online. My name is Marlin Carter out of Dallas, Texas, and this is my update for today in Traffic, Monsoon, and Power Lead System. I must say, have a good day.